This is summary video of Unit 4 Constitution of India. Intellectual property laws. Intellectual property is a category of property that includes intangible creation of human intellect. It includes copyright, industrial design rights, trademarks, plant variety, trade rates, etc. A patent is a form of right granted by the government to an inventor or their successor in title, giving the owner to right to exclude others from making it, using it, selling or offering to sell, and etc. A copyright gives the creator of an original work exclusive right of it, usually for a limited period of time. It may apply it in a variety of things like creative, intellectual, artistic form or works. Industrial design rights. Industrial design consists of creation of a shape, configuration, composition, pattern, etc. Plant varieties. Plant breeders' right or plant variety rights are the right to commercially use a new variety of plant. Trademark is a recognizable sign, design, expression which distinguishes products or services of a particular trader from the similar products of other competitors. A trade dress is a legal term for art that generally refers to characteristics of the visual and aesthetic appearance of the product or its packaging. Trade secret is a formula, practice, process, design, instrument, pattern, or combination of this information which is generally not known and can be exploited by business for its economic advantages. Legal aspects of patent. Patent is derived from the word patere, that is to lay up open. Some legislation in India is regarding Patent Act 1970, Trademarks Act 1999, Copyrights Act 1957, Design Act 2000, Semiconductor Integrated Circuits and Layout Design Act 2000, Geographical Indications of Goods Act 1999, and the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001. An invention must satisfy three conditions: novelty, inventiveness means non-obviousness, and usefulness for being patented. Some inventions cannot be patented, like an invention which is already established by nature or natural laws, an invention that is against the morality, against the health of public. A patent holder gets the right of making, importing, offering for sale, selling, and using the product. A patent can be revoked by High Court on following conditions. Generally, patent is given for 20 years. The grounds are: invention claimed is the subject of prior grant, patentee not entitled to the patents, patent was wrongfully obtained by a person other than the person entitled, subject of a claim is not an invention, invention is lacking in novelty with regard to prior knowledge or prior use, and etc. Copyright includes original works, be it be literary works, dramatic works, musical works, artistic works, cinematographic works, sound recording, etc. It provides two types of rights: economic rights and moral rights. Copyright grants certain type of rights, like you can copy the work, you can issue copies of the work to the public, you can rent or lend the work to the public, you can perform, show, play the work in the public, and communicate the work to the public. Infringement of the copyright. Copyright is said to be infringed when one of the exclusive rights of the author is performed by another party without the consent or authorization of the original author. Remedies for infringement of the copyright. Civil remedies provides for injunction, damages and accounts, while criminal remedy provides for punishment up to 6 months to 3 years, while fine of 50,000 to 2 lakh. Right to Information Act 2005 allows citizens to access information from public authorities to promote transparency and accountability in the governance. Some objectives are to empower the citizens, to promote transparency and accountability, to control the corruption, and to enhance people participation in democratic process of our country India. In 1996, the United Nations Commission on International Trade Law adopted the Model Law on E-commerce to bring uniformity of law in all the countries. The General Assembly of United Nations recommended that all countries must consider this model law before making changes in their own laws. India also followed it, and India got the Information Technology Act 2000. The objective of this act is to grant legal recognition to all the transactions done through electronic exchange, give legal recognition to digital signatures, facilitate the electronic filing of documents, facilitate the electronic storage of data, etc. E-governance can be defined as the application of information and communication technology for providing government services, exchange of information, transactions, integration of previously existing services, and information portals. Some objectives are better service delivery to citizens, ushering the transparency and accountability, empowering people through information, improve efficiency within the government, etc. Digital signature is a mathematical scheme to verify the authenticity of digital documents or messages. A digital signature certificate (DSC) validates and certifies the identity of a person. Digital signature is of three types: class 1, class 2, class 3. Class 3 is more secure and more relevant in cases of electronic bidding. Digital signature certificate has following advantages: time saving and cost saving, enhanced security, legal validity, global acceptance. Cyber Regulations Appellate Tribunal is established by central government. It consists of one presiding officer who is having 5 years of tenure. He acts like a civil court in the matters of summoning and enforcing the attendance of any person and examining him under the oath, ensuring the availability of required documents or electronic records, receiving evidence on affidavits, issuing commissions for examining witnesses or documents. Some offences as per the IT Act. If the damages to the computer happens, compensation will be given to the person affected. Similarly, in the case of publication or transmission of obscene material on e-form, fine up to 5 lakh rupees and imprisonment up to 3 years and double conviction on second offense can be done, etc. There are certain limitations or criticism regarding IT Act 2000. It does not deal with properly with the intellectual property protection for electronic information and data. It doesn't pay heed to domain name related issues. It doesn't cover various evolving form and manifestation of cyber crimes such as cyber theft, cyber stalking, cyber harassment, cyber defamation, cyber frauds, etc. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.